hotel's just behind that, down the street from Taco Bell. All right then. Yeah, that light doesn't even recognize me, guys, so we're just gonna go. Guys, so wow, there's like every Tom, Dick, and Harry across the road. There's an Aldi, there's a Walmart. So yeah, maybe tomorrow morning, guys, we'll pick up a box of grapes. Ooh, this one's got an indoor pool. But I didn't bring any trousers, swimming trunks. Yeah, see, there's the Chinese place over there. Right across the street, guys. So yes. All right, guys. All right. Nice. So there's going to be no battle over. Oh wow! Look at this chandelier, guys. Wow. So at least at this one, hopefully, I'm not going to have a battle over smoking versus non-smoking. Hello.
Hi there.
Hey, how are you?
Checkin in?
Yes.
You have a reservation?
Yes, and I got like a message from you guys about which time I'm gonna check in, and so I selected between 5 and 6 because I wasn't sure.
What's that under? I don't have any reservation.
Wurzinski. Is this the
This is Quality Inn.
America's Best Inn?
No, that's over by Walgreens.
Oh. Hold on, let me check my phone. When I typed in, no, I thought I typed in America's, maybe I typed in quality in instead of in my GPS.
Yep.
Hold on. Sorry.
No, that's okay.
Yeah, you're probably wondering, like, yeah, America's best value. By
Walgreens, it's right next door to Walgreens.
just out of curiosity, how more expensive are you guys?
I don't know what the prices are, I can tell you.
How much do you guys normally go for, like, a night? Just one night? King,
It's gonna be
king or
around,
queen bed?
it's gonna be around 90, give or take. Can probably get it right under that, but let me see.
See, like,
I just rented a room, it was like 85.14 or something after tax.
it was like, I made all my bookings on Black Friday. And like, funny enough, I actually got like 15% savings on all of them. Cause I waited last week, to book for this week. So I'm thinking, you know what? Black Friday, maybe I'll wait, you know? So I did all my booking and like, America's best value.
It's not the best of anything, and I'm not saying that to be mean, but you see if you win.
Oh, I've stayed in one in Georgia, like in March, and yeah, it was like, I mean, it was cheap and cheerful, and then, you know, like I cycle for charity, and so like, I was, you know, like on a budget and always am. So like 50, 60 bucks down there in Georgia. But like, I don't know what they charged me here.
I'd imagine that that's kind of a roundabout what it would be there, but cheap, yes, should pull like down.
But I could hear like 3 neighbors over this way and that way through the walls.
I've heard lots of buggies and dirty, it's caca. Again, I'm just looking out for your best interest. You gotta do what you gotta do, but I don't think you're gonna be happy with it. You may be, I don't know. I haven't personally been there, but
Yeah, we'll
I've seen
see.
pictures people taken.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I paid $71.69 there with tax.
Yeah, so they're about $10 cheaper. 15.
But how come it's? Because I'm typing in, because I started cycling from St. Louis and I'm cycling all the way to Chicago.
Oh my gosh.
Um,
Are you okay?
yeah, it's I do it twice a year. It's for St. Jude's, the children's research.
Awesome. Good for you.
And yeah, like I do 2 crazy, like I get 2 vacations a year, and so like part of it, like 5-6 days I'll take to do a crazy ride for charity.
That's insane. How long did it take you to get here from St. Louis?
Well, I took the train